Getting in and out of a vehicle is probably something your customer doesn't think twice about. That changes when one or more of their door handles stops working properly. Over time, door handles can wear out from repeated use, and the driver's door handle is naturally one of the first to go. Failure can also be caused by a lack of maintenance. Door handles are comprised of multiple moving parts connected to various linkages and rods for locks and door latches. And if any of these components are worn, they can put additional stress on the door handles. Handles often break in the winter when doors freeze to the weather stripping. A malfunctioning door handle might not seem too serious at first, but it can become a safety issue. If a door handle breaks, it may completely prevent the door from opening. In some cases, the door handle might also be tied to the vehicle's locking mechanism. If the handle doesn't work properly, it could mean that the door can't be securely locked. Your customer can prevent door handle failure with the help of lubricants like a silicone spray, which can reduce friction between the handle, latch, and other components. Latches should also be lubricated regularly. Applying a weather strip conditioner on a regular basis keeps the rubber clean, soft, and flexible, allowing it to seal better and preventing it from freezing to the door. Whether interior or exterior, should your customer's door handle break, the good news is that they are generally easy to replace, and most of the common door handles are readily available. Take the time to learn about what door handles you offer so you can help your customer find the right replacement. Thanks for joining us.